Get to the left are the lovely Three Sisters of Mount Solitary. On this side on the left, you see Menai, Windmilla and Gorge on the left-hand side of Mount Solitary. On the other side of the Skyway, you're looking at the Katoomba waterfalls flowing down into the valley. It flows all the way down into Sydney's drinking supply. It takes about a week to end up in Lake Burragong.
He actually went on one of the Three Sisters and he's better than he brought it.
Right now we're at the highest point of the Skyway, about 2 Sydney Harbour bridges on top of each other. Give you a reference. There's a lovely walk to the Katoomba waterfalls if anyone's interested. Takes you all the way to the top of the lookout. 10 minutes once you get off. That's it, guys. It's a very gentle ride, guys. It's nice and slow. It's safe. Sometimes it's very safe. Pretty safe for a glass box that's 220 metres above the valley, held by a single cable. The glass panel underneath your feet in the middle is clear. You can see the very bottom of the valley floor as we float across. I've got a few things out now, so I won't use that. But that is the Jameson Valley on your right. It's 2,500 square kilometres of national park. This is about 2% of that 2,500 kilometres. We have Mount Solitary in the middle. It's a beautiful camping spot on the very top there, but it does take about 4 hours to get to. To the left are the lovely Three Sisters of Mount Solitary. On this side on the left, you see Menai, Windmilla and Gorge on the left-hand side of Mount Solitary. On the other side of the Skyway, you're looking at the Katoomba waterfalls flowing down into the valley. It flows all the way down into Sydney's drinking supply. It takes about a week to end up in Lake Burragong.
He actually went on one of the Three Sisters and he's better than he brought it.
Right now we're at the highest point of the Skyway, about 2 Sydney Harbour bridges on top of each other. Give you a reference. There's a lovely walk to the Katoomba waterfalls if anyone's interested. Takes you all the way to the top of the lookout. It's 10 minutes once you get off. Alright guys, we're across the station here guys, so once we do stop, I will ask everybody to exit. If you want to come back on, you just have to get re-scanned by Paula. She'll scan you back on there.